Okay, everybody, it's almost 10 p.m. I was watching the Ethereum cat herders insult miners and almost forgot to do my show. I'll tell you about it in another video. Look at that. Most things are green. Not my precious Cardano, though. Alright. Generally speaking, that market looks more or less up with a lot of the small caps being mixed. That's what I'll say about that. Bitcoin's at 54 in first place. Ethereum's at 1.8 in second. Binance blew up to third place at 244. Knocked Tether down to fourth place. Cardano's in fifth. They just rode down underneath Tether $1.14. Polkadot 36.59. Then sixth place. That means in seventh place there's XRP at 48. Uniswap is hold on to eighth. Hardcore 33.85. Litecoin is 197.91. And in ninth place, rounding out the top 10, is Chainlink. They haven't moved an inch for a long time, 31.33. Let's go ahead and look at who's the top movers. Chiliz, never heard of it, 64%, good for you. Luna, 37%, also never heard of it. Hedera, why have I never heard of any of these fucking coins? DeFi bullshit. Mana, 25.96. And Quant, I've like vaguely heard of Quant, 25%. That might have been under the Coinbase Learn or something. Theta Fuel, Nano busted up, 16%. Good for them. Cool. Theta. Why is there so much fucking Theta? Jesus, guys. Stupid, man. The more I fucking see you have like 10 different coins in your stupid network and they're all listed in separate fucking exchange. Like, come on. No name bullshit coin taking up more than one spot. All right. Bitcoin took a little run today. It's been on a high degree of support. When we last talked, looks like we were seeing some small support form. We had a decent bit of resistance for a short period of time, but we blew right through that. And here we are in the 54s looking at... So I moved my bars around here. So this will be 50... This will be 52.5, and then this will be 55. So, yeah. What do we got here? It's been about a little over, yeah, like 27 hours since I talked to y'all, and it's just about 6.5% up. So, yeah. Let's take a look at the forecast. Yeah. Is the conversion... God, I'm so tired sometimes. Yeah, conversion lines above baseline pretty significantly in this case. They're sort of flat, starting to point up. Lagging indicators pretty flat. Trading, but it is above the other two indicators. And the cloud is somewhat thin. And what do we got here? Whoa. Settle down. What do we got here? Yeah, okay. It reverted about halfway through the day. The EMAs here, and they're spread out and they're in the right order. So we have the only two indicators I bother looking at are primed for some upward movement. So we shall see if that follows through. Let's take a look at the news. Let's see what we got today. Oh, don't you know it is foolish to invest in high-end GPUs for crypto mining? The research firm heads. Oh my god. Wow, listen to that guy. They know everything, don't they? They're the ones that are just getting on board crypto when it's 8 fucking years old. It's not a good idea to buy GPUs for crypto mining, is it? Well, that's if you think the only thing to mine is Ethereum. But there are fucking dozens of coins and many projects that the people who are really interested in GPU mining tend to be interested in supporting interesting projects rather than making a quick buck. So, if you're some stuck-up suit who can't see past the bottom line, then yeah, you would probably think it's a stupid idea. But if you realize that these stuck-up suits don't know what the fuck is happening and they're going to be dead before anything cool happens with blockchain, but we're not, then you know that buying GPUs and participating in these networks gets you coins for fucking dirt cheap on really interesting projects that can blow up later. So if these fucking people knew anything, they'd know that it is a cool thing to do to run a small GPU miner, even if you just run one. All right, this is an interesting one. I've always pretty gun shy in DeFi. I don't like small cap coins. I think that the market, well, I don't think. I know that the manipulation of that market is super easy to do. Rug pulls, hacks. There's a ton of problems in that ecosystem, and so I've been pretty standoffish with it, you could say. Um, Here's an interesting statistic: the user wallets, I'm sure they mean unique wallets, right? Have dipped 40%. But in other articles, or maybe in this one here, you can see the total value locked has increased significantly. What you want to make sure you're taking away from this article is that more people are centralizing the collateral that is in DeFi. DeFi is already manipulated to the point of being problematic. So that is only going to make that problem worse. Rug pulls are only going to get faster and more intense. I I don't think it's a worthwhile place to be. But you know what? You look at that top 24 movers, you see those 40% coins, those 60% coins. They're fucking no-name DeFi coins I've never even heard of, and I'll never see them again. You know, most of them. You know, whatever. Make your money, jump out before it fucking crashes. Good for you, but I don't smoke crack and sit at the computer to do that fast enough. PayPal purchases crypto custody curve. This might be something that remediates my biggest complaint about PayPal entering the crypto space, and the biggest like I don't know. I mean, their terms of condition. I'm sure they explained to you that you can't transfer this crypto from wallet to wallet, which is actually what crypto is, peer to peer. That's what crypto is. So when you're buying it on PayPal, you're buying like some equivalent of it, some analog of it that follows the price because PayPal does and they're like virtualizing your position. Like, yeah, you kind of own crypto, like we own it, and then you bought your share of it, but it's not the same. You can't send it to my wallet, right? Um, but that's my current criticism of PayPal in terms of its crypto stuff. But if they bought Curve, let's click on this. I open their site up here. This see, they're a web wallet. Was that? Oh yeah, cloud-based wallet, bulletproof protection. Hot wallets, huh? Instant availability, total autonomy of all your digital assets, powered by cryptography. If you have total autonomy, then you have keys, and if you lose your keys, you're fucks, Phil. Eliminating private keys. Oh well, then you do not have total anonymity. Hey, I mean, I haven't read this to be fair. Perhaps they have a solution I haven't thought of. Um, but no, Curve. It's a real wallet. That's the difference between PayPal and Curve. You know, I'm not saying it's a good wallet. I'm just saying PayPal is an analog of a wallet, and Curve is a real wallet. So in that case, you know, maybe old PayPal's squaring up, and I can cut that criticism down. I've been a user of PayPal since like fucking year 2000 or whatever, when Elon Musk still owned it probably. But I'm just saying, like, all right, South Korea crypto fever 2.0 is showing no signs of slowing. Apparently, everyone there is buying up GPUs. So if you were like, maybe just maybe the supply chain will catch up with GPUs, nah, son. A whole nother country just got in on mining. Yeah. So it looks. So I guess what's popular over there is a PC bong or a PC like cafe, gaming bong or something like that. And so all those places can't open up for coronavirus, so they just threw fucking Ethereum miners on their machines and went home to take a nap and probably made more money. Um, so there you go. The hash rate of the network will increase. The prices of GPUs will increase. If you had any interest in getting in mining, I'll say wait. Wait till the market crashes and everyone thinks it's stupid. And that's when you should jump in. I'm telling you, because everything's cheap and no one wants it. You buy everyone's all shit because everyone thinks the game is over. You build your shit, you quietly mine, and then the market is like this, and you're just sitting on graphics cards that you've had since everyone else thought they were not worth anything. Don't buy it right now. Don't buy it when everyone's jumping in on it, when there's fucking headlines that a whole nother country's starting to mine. This is I'm trying to sell cards. You can buy mine, but just don't buy them right now unless you're buying them from me. Goodbye, everybody.